This model helps us to understand and solve word problem involving system of inequalities. A business analyst is deciding the amount of time allotted to each employee for meeting and training. He wants the sum of the meeting and training time to be no more than 16 hours per month. Also, there should be at least one training hours for every two meeting hours. Finally, there should be at least two meeting hours per month to discuss short-term goals. What is the difference between the maximum and minimum number of monthly training hours that should be allotted to each employee? So here there are three problem statements. So the training hours and the meeting hours should not be less than 16, should not be more than. So that is should not be more than means no more than, that means less than or equal to, therefore x plus y equal to 16, where x is training hours, y is meeting hours. Similarly, second inequality is, second problem statement is if written as a inequality 2x minus y is less than or equal to 0. So last one is finally there should be at least two meeting, so y is the meeting hours, so greater than or equal to 2. So y should minimum 2, therefore greater than or equal to 2. So these three, how to solve these problems and find the value of meeting hours, that is x value, training hours. What is the difference between the maximum minimum number of monthly training hours, where x is training hours? So we want to find out what is the minimum value of x and maximum value of x satisfying these three inequalities. So it's very easy to solve this problem if you plot these three inequalities in the graph. So here we already inequality 1, x plus y less than or equal to 16 is plotted. So this is plotted now. See, this is x plus y is less than or equal to 0. So this, any point in this area will satisfy this inequality. Let's see how the inequality 2 looks. So now this area uh, is this common triangle is the area which satisfies both the inequalities. Now let's plot the inequality 3. So this is greater than or equal to 2 means this area will be satisfied by y equal to greater than or equal to 2. So now let's see what is the common area for among all the three regions. So this triangle is the common regions. So any point in this triangle will satisfy these inequalities. So what is the minimum and the maximum value of x? Minimum value of x is 1, maximum value of x is 14. So the difference is 13. So answer is 13. So easy to solve this problem if you are interacting with this model. So now you can change the value here. Suppose if it is if meeting hours is 7, what will be the change? So here we can increase the value of, see now these inequalities do not have any solutions because they don't have common areas. So you can change these inequalities less than, greater than, how this works. So if it is greater than, how this shadow region goes, we show the inequality 2. It's how the shadow region changes, move this value. So many interaction is going on here. So interact with this model and master in solving this inequality word problem, which is very hard in SAT.